Welcome to another One with Math video. Today's video, we're going to prove that n is less than 2 to the power n for all integers n greater or equal to 1. We'll prove this with mathematical induction. So, with our base case, that is when n is equal to 1. On the left hand side, when you substitute n equals 1, we get 1. On the right hand side, when you substitute n equals 1, we get 2 to the power 1. We'll simplify both sides. Left hand side is just 1, whereas right hand side, 2 to the power 1 is 2. 1 is less than 2. This is true, so we've successfully shown that the base case is true. Next, we need to prove that the inductive case is true. We need to first clearly state what we're assuming is true. That is, we're going to assume k is less than 2 to the power k is true for all integers k greater or equal to 1. Next, we need to clearly state what we're trying to prove. So we'll need to show that k plus 1 is less than 2 to the power k plus 1 is also true. Alright, so to do this, we're going to start with our assumption, which was k is less than 2 to the power k. We need to manipulate this in some way so it looks like what we need to show. We're going to do this by multiplying both sides by 2, and then simplify to get 2k is less than 2 to the power k plus 1. So we have the 2 to the power k plus 1, now we need a k plus 1, but we have 2k. Alright, so let's take a little side note. We'll take a look right here, which is k is less than or equal to 1. Let's flip-flop this, and we get 1 is less than or equal to k. Next, let's add k to both sides, and then simplify, so we get k plus 1 is less than or equal to 2k. So we have connected 2k and k plus 1 together. So we'll move over here, back to our original plan, and here's our side note. We get k plus 1 is less than or equal to 2k, which is less than 2 to the power k plus 1. Or k plus 1 is strictly less than 2 to the power k plus 1, which we're trying to show. So we've successfully shown that the inductive case is true. Last step is to write a conclusion. So we just need to restate it. So by mathematical induction, n is less than 2 to the power n is true for all integers n is greater or equal to 1. If this video will help, give it a like, subscribe for more, click the video on screen to keep learning. Thank you.